No. We know what natural log looks like. You should. That's one of your functions you're supposed to know from the beginning of the year. Natural logs look like that, correct?
Correct.
What does adding 1 inside the function do? Moves it left. Okay? So I really have left 1 will go through 0, correct? Like that. Instead of going through 1, it will now go through 0. That goes through 1, down 1 over 1. And y equals 0 is the x-axis, correct? So this is the region that is bounded by all 3. You see that? Now if I had said x equals 0, it would be this region. Right? You've got to really take your time and get the correct region, because if you have the wrong region and you do the entire problem, you're not going to get many points because you didn't do the correct problem. Okay? You didn't find the right area. So, x's or y's? Let's do y's. Sure. Doesn't hurt, does it? I could do x's though. I would just have to do 2 of them, correct? Well, let's do y's. Let's do y's. Okay, so we already, well, we should know where those meet. Where? 1, 1, correct? Just from common sense here, we know that that crosses through, well, not 1, 1, but, yeah. Okay, then let's set them equal. It's 1 on the x, but not on the y. Okay, when you set those equal, let's see if we can solve this a nice way. I don't think we can. We might have to use a calculator to solve this puppy. Looks like it. It's just going to get messy. You didn't need it for graph. You did not need it for a graph. Solve it. And wait, actually, let's do a little thinking before we solve it. We want it in terms of y, correct? So why don't we put it in terms of y first and then solve it, so that we don't have to do 2 extra steps? Yes, no? So if y equals natural log of x plus 1, I need to get x by itself, so I e to the, so I have e to the y equals x plus 1. So x equals e to the y minus 1. Yes, no? The other one, I have y equals 1 minus x. So y minus 1 equals x, or equals negative x. So x equals 1 minus y. Now those are my 2 functions, set those equal. That'll spit out your y. So go ahead and do that. Use your solve command or graphs, doesn't matter. I'd use your solve command to see if it works out.
Can you just like literally set those equal to each other?
Yeah. That's what I want you to do. Literally set them equal to each other. You can take a quick